Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're trying to place an order on AliExpress but stuck with a payment error, in this video I will show you how to fix common AliExpress payment problems. Let's get started. First, let's start by understanding the common errors. AliExpress payment issues usually show errors like payment failed, card declined, or something went wrong during checkout. Here's how to solve it. First, check your card details. Go to My Account and then to your payment methods. View your card details and make sure your card number, expiry and CVV are all correct. Even one digit wrong can block the payment. Second step is to make sure your card supports international payments. Some local debit cards don't support international transactions. Use a card that supports USD or CNY payments, or try a credit card or PayPal. Third step is to try a different payment method and try adding a new card using PayPal or even Alipay if available. Also try updating the app. Older versions can cause payment glitches. Another step can be to clear cache. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down to this option called Apps and tap on it. Search for AliExpress. Scroll down and go to Storage and tap Clear Cache, then restart the app and try again. Sometimes VPNs block secure payment gateways. If you're using one, turn it off and retry your transaction. And that's how to fix AliExpress payment errors in 2025. Try each step and you'll be back to shopping in no time. Like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.